Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to add Wise as a payment method to Shopify store. Firstly, open the Wise and log into your account. After that, tap the plus open button and select currency balance. Now, select the currency you need. You may need to complete an additional verification step by uploading some documents. You'll be prompted in the app if this is required. Once you're fully verified, you'll be able to access your local details within the Wise app. Just pick the currency you need, click on Receive, and tap View and Share Account Details. The first time you open a currency balance, you may be prompted to top up your account. You can do this in any currency you would like to have available, using your bank account, Apple Pay, credit, or debit card. The full balance will be available for you to spend after. You can also use your local account details to get paid through Shopify automatically or manually. Once you have the currency balance you need, you'll be able to get your local account details and add them to Shopify. The exact process you need to follow may vary based on where in the world you are and which payment gateway you choose to use with Shopify. But normally, you just need to log in with your Shopify account and navigate to your settings. Here, select Payment Options. Enter the Wise account details for the currency you want to get paid in. Check everything over and confirm. That is how you can add Wise as a payment method to Shopify store. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.